Looks like a regular smoke alarm, right? But what if I told you this thing can secretly record full HD video for an entire year without anyone knowing? Today, we're unboxing the smoke alarm spy camera with a 1-year battery life. One of the most advanced hidden security cameras of 2025. Let's find out how it works, what's inside, and if that 1-year claim is actually real. The build quality is actually solid. All right, let's unbox it. The packaging is completely plain, just a white box with minimal text, which is great for keeping it discreet. Inside the box, we've got the smoke alarm camera itself, a USB charging cable, mounting screws and wall anchors, a reset pin, and a quick start manual. Some kits also include a small microSD card reader, super useful for data transfer. The outer shell is made of heat-resistant ABS plastic, feels premium and sturdy. Now, if you look closely, the camera lens is hidden right behind this small mesh grill. Even if you stare at it, you'll barely notice it. It's that well disguised. At the back, you've got a mounting bracket, a micro USB port, and a microSD card slot. Inside, it packs a 5,200 milliamp hours lithium-ion battery, which is the secret behind its massive 1-year standby time. Let's break down the specs. Video: Full HD 1080p at 30 FPS. Lens angle: 90 degrees. Storage: microSD, support up to 128 gigabytes. Battery: 5,200 milliamp hours lithium-ion, up to 365 days on motion-activated standby. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, supports Tuya Smart and HDLiveCam apps. Night vision: infrared up to 5 meters. Motion detection: PR sensor for instant activation. Recording modes: continuous or motion triggered. Setup is super simple. Step 1. Fully charge the camera for about 4 hours. Step 2. Insert your memory card. Step 3. Mount it on your ceiling, just like a normal smoke alarm. Now open the HDLiveCam or Tuya Smart app, connect to the Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. You can view live footage, adjust motion sensitivity, and get instant alerts right on your phone. Let's check the footage quality. In daylight, the video looks sharp, clear details, natural color, and smooth frame rate. At night, the infrared LEDs automatically turn on, and surprisingly, you still get a clean image even in total darkness. The camera can detect motion up to 6 meters and starts recording instantly. All right, here's what's great about it. Completely hidden, no lights, no noise. Long battery standby, up to 1 year. 1080p video with night vision. Motion alerts and remote access via app. Super easy installation. But here are the downsides. It doesn't detect smoke. It's not a real alarm. Actual recording time is 3 to 5 months, depending on motion. No audio recording on some versions due to privacy laws. Needs good Wi-Fi for live streaming. So final thoughts? If you're looking for a spy camera that's invisible, practical, and energy efficient, this smoke alarm camera is an absolute beast. Just remember, the 1-year claim is for standby time, not continuous recording. For home, office, or warehouse security, it's one of the most discreet hidden cameras you can buy in 2025. This is Technical TH1 Kerr, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to see more hidden tech gadgets like this. See you in the next one.